Hi, I'm Paul Agar from Agar Cleaning Systems. We've located some graffiti here on this roller shutter door. The door is a galvanised steel door, and the correct product to use for that is graffiti remover, this one. It's non-caustic, so it won't attack the metal, and we are going to show how to apply this product and hopefully get this graffiti off the door. First thing you've got to do is get your safety gear. The safety data sheet will tell you what gear to wear, and that's necessary for protection and safety. Okay, we've got the goggles on. Gloves are required too. We're going to pour the product into the little cup I've got here. And we'll tackle it with a small paintbrush just to get it onto the paint. I can see it's starting to have an effect now, but these products take time. You have to give them time to soak in and soften that paint. That paint's been there for a long time, and it's not going to come off easily. One of the golden rules of graffiti removal is act fast, because the longer it stays there, the more oxidized and cured it gets, and that makes it much harder to remove. This surface is a soft metal and it will scratch easily, so you can't use harsh abrasives on this or you'll end up taking or scratching the zinc and it'll look pretty ordinary when you're finished. There's no point taking away graffiti if you just leave a picture of the graffiti in the form of scratches left on the surface. I'm working it with the brush because abrasion really helps to break the film down. You've got to break this film down. It's like a building, and we're trying to demolish the building, and it's not going to come down unless you actually take apart the components of the building and the foundations and everything else. It's a really curly one because I'd like to hit it with an abrasive pad or a brush or a scourer or something, but I know if I do, it's going to leave a mark on this zinc. It's quite a tricky problem. I wouldn't want to go any more abrasive than this white pad, because a white pad doesn't actually have any abrasives other than the nylon polyester webbing itself. There's no grit in it. If the product dries out, you need to put more there, because some of the solvents in this product are volatile and they will go off and evaporate and won't be there anymore to do the job. So if that happens, you've just got to put a little bit more on, keep it going. It looks as though it's done, so now we'll check it by just wiping it off with a cloth. See what's left behind and what comes away. Well, that's it. If you really want to be fussy, you could say, well, there's still a bit of a shadow there, so you can do it a bit more. We have another product for graffiti called Grab, but this is a caustic-based graffiti remover and should not be used on this door. Even though it would have done the job more quickly, it would also attack the zinc, and so that is not something you want to do. You have to use the right product for the right application. So we've got another area with graffiti on brickwork, which is where we'll use the Grab in another video. Thank you.